Swimming is a great exercise, fun activity, and an important life skill. Introducing your child to the water from an early age will not only instill lots of fun summer memories, but also help them become good swimmers as early as possible. However, spending time in the water can be difficult or even dangerous for toddlers if they do not have a supportive device. There are many products available to choose toddler swim vests, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toddler swim vests from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Body Glove Paddle Pals Life Jacket. The Body Glove Dinosaur Kids Floaty is the best flotation and swimming aid for toddlers who tend to slip off of their vests. It comes equipped with a safety shoulder harness that prevents accidental slip-off and makes it hard for a child to remove the vest on their own. Best of all, this is USCG-approved swim vest toddlers love. The fun graphics are sure to bring joy to any child's face and make them excited for their water adventures. US Coast Guard approved life jacket and swim vests toddlers cannot take off. The Body Glove is one of the safest learn-to-swim floaties. The chest support and armbands provide great flotation for toddlers, while also placing them in the natural swim position and helping them learn how to keep their heads up, kick their legs, and propel themselves forward. Made of soft polyester and featuring a multi-panel design with an anatomical cut and built-in drain holes, this is a top-rated kids floaties when it comes to comfort. It's easy to put on and the adjustable strap allows you to achieve a comfortably snug fit. As for the range of motion, it leaves arms and legs free to move. Number 2. Stearns Original Puddle Jumper Kids Life Jacket. USCG approved Type 2 Kids Life Jacket. The Stearns Heads Up Life Vest is the best life jacket for toddlers for boating and kayaking. It ticks all the boxes: a reliable flotation device for kids, it promotes face-up flotation, and has a strap between the legs. In addition to this, the bright color and reflective trim help you spot your little one, while the rescue handle makes it easy to lift them out of the water. Whether you're boating, fishing, or kayaking, the Heads Up meets the US Coast Guard requirements for a toddler life vest. For a Type 2 flotation device, it's surprising how comfortable the Stearns Heads Up is. Having 2 hinges enables it to lay better than standard Type 2 life vests. Also, the Heads Up has one of the most comfortable crotch straps you will find on a kid's life vest. It's housed in a soft and squishy sleeve, which helps prevent chafing. Number 3. SwimSchool Deluxe Tot Swimmer for Kids. Thanks to the unique shape, SwimSchool's Deluxe Kids Swim Vest is the best kids floaties by far. Designed to propel your child forward, it's also one of the best swimming aids for helping your little one learn to swim. Above this, it also functions as a pull chair and a splash and play center, making it a fantastic value. When it's time to pack, it deflates easily and packs into a compact bundle. Most importantly, it feels natural, provides stability, and allows arms and legs a full range of motion. Toddlers get the hang of it quickly and start swimming around in no time. Easy to put on and comfortable to wear, kids love the Tot Trainer Kids Swim Vest. It fits comfortably around your child's torso, and the fabric is stretchy, gentle on skin, and protective against harmful UV rays. For a secure fit, an adjustable strap fastens it between the legs. Number 4. SwimSchool Swim Trainer Vest. As a Level 2 swim trainer, the SwimSchool Swimming Vest Toddler is the best toddler swim vest for almost swimmers who only need a little aid in the water. It's designed to keep kids in a prone position and encourage them to swim. On top of this, it's very easy to put on and take off and provides excellent comfort and freedom of movement. The design doesn't get in the way of swimming, and the provided support gives your child the confidence to explore the water and practice swimming. A great thing about this design with zipper is the ease of putting the vest on and off. Once it's on, an adjustable safety strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Number 5. Topsung Kids Deluxe Life Jacket. When inflated, the Topsung Toddler Swim Vest is one of the thickest kids floaties. Because of this, it provides superior buoyancy even in deep water. Still, it's perfect for traveling as it's very space efficient when deflated and packed. Unlike other floaties on this list, it can be used by children up to 120 pounds, making it the best toddler swim vest for fast-growing toddlers. One of the thickest inflatable toddler swim vests and featuring armbands and chest support, the Topsung provides excellent flotation support for kids learning to swim. As insurance against leaks, it's made of a heavy-duty plastic that can resist puncturing by broken shells, rocks, and sand, and composed of 3 separate inflatable airbags. Even with the thickness, the Topsung swim vest for toddlers still allows kids to move their arms and kick their legs to get around in the water. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.